we're at a shoot and Suk didn't give us the memo for proper shoes. Harnoor, koi gana suna do. Hanji, cross karke.
It's literally nothing here.
Chalo.
ਇੱਥੇ ਪੈਰ ਰੱਖੋ ਆ ਲੱਕੜ ਤੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਤੇ
Did you think you'd be doing this?
Yes ma'am. Let's go.
Coffee number 3. This is AP. AP, say hi to my vlog. Sagar, say hi.
Hello ji.
Harnoor, say hi to my vlog.
ਉਹਨੇ ਬੋਤਲ ਚ ਗਲੀ ਕੱਢੀ ਹੋਈ
Oh.
so nice.
Okay, wait, sorry. Say that one more time. I need to hear it again.
Preet is so nice.
ਬਾਅਦ ਚੋਂ ਗਾਣਾ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਗੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ For my vlog.
scripted ਹੈ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ
ਹਾਈ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ scripted ਆ ਐਵੇਂ
ਮੈਂ ਅੱਧਾ ਖਿੱਚਿਆ
ਦੇਖੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਨਾ ਸ਼ੂਟ ਕਰਨ ਆਉਨੇ ਆ ਇੰਨਾ ਹਾਰਡ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਹਨਾ ਤੇ ਕਈ ਲੋਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਖਾ ਖੂ ਕੇ ਸੌ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਏਪੀ ਚਿਕਨ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਸੌਣ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ
ਮੈਂ ਗੱਡੀ 'ਚ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਟਾਂ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਕਿ ਛਤਰੀ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਭੇਜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੈਂ
ਛਤਰੀ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਓ
ਨੀਆਂ ਬਾਹਾਂ 'ਚ ਉਹ ਲੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਫਰੇਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਜਣਾ ਆਜੋ ਯਾਰ ਰੀਲ ਬਣਾ ਦਿਓ ਭਰਾ ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਬਸ ਆਜੋ ਬਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ
ਚਲੋ ਜੀ ਜਿਮ ਰੈਡੀ ਕਰ
ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ Done? Yes.
The shoot with Harnoor is going bomb. They're doing his shot, so I get to chill here by the fire. But this is basically our last scene set up. Then we are done. We enjoy the fire while everyone else is outside in the cold. Let's put some more fire in this thing. God, it's really hot. Ow! Fuck! Fuck! This thing is so freaking hot. Burned my hand. So for the next shot we made fake tea, which is hot water and Coke mixed together. Let me show you guys this cabin we're shooting in. So this is the outside, but it's dark out so you can't see. Hello. And this is the cozy fire we just set up. TV, you've got a nice sitting area. And we just finished making cha actually, so you got an empty patila here because Indian, so cha is necessary. But anyways, this is this cute little cabin we're filming in today. And then let me show you guys the bedroom. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall. Make sure I don't hit my head. This is basically the upstairs. How cozy is this? And then you got the downstairs. And if you get tired, you can lie on this bed. which is what I'm doing right now because it's not my shot. But I'm gonna get in trouble, so I should go downstairs. I'm gonna try to go down without falling. And that was the mini tour of this cozy cabin. Harnoor looks like he just came from the army.
Yeah, I just had my work done.
So Harnoor and I are doing a song together.
Yep.
So very excited for that. And if you don't know him, I'm sure you do. The man behind Valiya. So
Thank you so
I'm a big fan, and
I'm your big
honestly,
fan.
thank you.
It's a really pretty song.
So amazing. I mean, all your songs are like amazing, but this one's special too. So you guys keep an eye out. I'm so excited. And also your other songs out today.
Wah, kya nazare hain.
Make sure you guys listen, and video will be out tomorrow too. So
Thank you so much.
support. It was good working with you. Best of luck, and I'm sure the song will be great. Yes.
Thank you so much.
It's a wrap. Hopefully, oh God, I can't figure this out. Hopefully, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ. Please ਦੱਸਿਓ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗੀ. And yeah, and hopefully ਤੁਸੀਂ vlog ਵੀ enjoy ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ.